Hey guys, how's it going? How to delete a story on TikTok. So first of all, go ahead and open up your TikTok, and let's have an example that you wanted to post something like let's say a picture, right? So I'm gonna click the picture right here at the bottom, right? Let's have an example photo, right? I'm gonna click next, all right? Let's say that you want to not your story, okay? And now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just wait for a few moments until it's uploaded to your story, right? As you can see right here, it's been uploaded. If you want to delete that story, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead right here and click that right here to add another one if you wanted to. But basically you can see right here at the bottom right the share, and then basically you're gonna be able right here to see the last option, the content disclosure and delete. Go ahead and double click the delete the story. Now you just deleted your story. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.